Good afternoon, my lovely nurses. I hope you are fine and your family is good. So today, as you know, our previous lectures are going on. The drugs calculation is a very important topic for any exam. So today our question is, a post-op patient is prescribed 2.5 liter normal saline IV to infuse over 18 hours. 2.5 liter normal saline IV to infuse over 18 hours using an infusion pump. After 7 hours, the nurse checks the IV bag and finds 1.8 liter still remaining. What should the nurse reset the pump rate to in ml per hour? So we need ml per hour, so the infusion will finish exactly on time. So patient is post-operative. Doctor prescribed 2.5 liter mean 2500 milliliter normal saline to infuse over 18 hours. So the nurse is using infusion pump. After 7 hours the nurse checks the IV bag and she find 1.8 liter mean 1800 ml already, 1800 ml still remaining. So what should the nurse reset the pump rate to in ml per hour? So she will reset the pump rate to in ml per hour, so the infusion will finish exactly on time. So what is the first we will check what given in the question. So what they given in the question, they given total volume. Total volume is 2.5 liter. 2.5 liter mean 2500 ml. Then they give us total infusion time. Total infusion time they give 18 hours. We have to finish 2.5 liter in 18 hours. Then the time passed how many? 7 hours. 7 hours already passed and the nurse noticed 1.8 liter is remaining. So volume remaining is 1.8 liter mean 1800 ml. So we are asked to reset the pump rate to finish the infusion on time. This is the given values that they give. Total volume 2.5 liter, total infusion time 18 hours, time passed 7 hours and volume remaining is 1.8 liter mean 1800 ml. So we will talk about step by step. So our step number 1 is, the step 1 is calculate how much volume has already infused. So step number 1 is how much volume has already infused. So how we will check how much volume has already infused? So volume, the formula is volume infused equal total volume minus volume remaining. So total volume is 2500 ml because the total 2500 ml should be infused over 18 hours. And how much remaining? Remaining is 1.8 liter 1800 ml. So the equal will come here. 700 ml mean 700 ml has already infused in 7 hours. So in 700 ml already infused. Now our step number 2. Our step number 2 is, step 2 is calculate the remaining time. Calculate the remaining time. So we have to calculate the remaining time. How we will do? The formula is remaining time, because we want remaining time equal total time minus time elapsed. Elapsed mean already used, already time finished. So the total time is 18 hours. And how many time passed already? 7 hours. So 18 minus 7 equal 11 hours. So we still have 11 hours. So now we have to reset the pump. So in 11 hours, the remaining mean 1800 ml should be infused in 11 hours. So step 1, total volume. The given value. Step 1, how much volume has already infused? 1800 ml. And step number 2, calculate the remaining time. So remaining time is 11 hours. Now our step number 3. Now step number 3. In the step number 3, calculate the new rate. Calculate the new rate. Mean, because they ask in the question, the nurse, what should the nurse reset the pump? So we want the new rate because now we are resetting. So how calculate the new rate? So new rate, the formula will be new rate equal, the new rate mean ml per hour because they ask us ml per hour. So we have to check ml per hour. So ml per hour equal is volume remaining and divided by time remaining. So volume remaining because we are checking the new rate in ml per hour. So new rate equal, now volume remaining, how much volume remaining? Remaining is 1800 ml. So 1800 ml divided by time remaining is 11 hours. So 1800 ml divided by 11. So the new rate will come here 163.64 ml per hour. So usually we round the nearest whole number for an infusion pump. Nearest. So here is 163.6. One thing keep in your mind, if the after point, if the the digit is more than 5, then we have to add 1 there. But if it's less than 5, no need to add. So this is 6, this is more than 5. So we have to add 1 here in 163. So our answer will be 164 ml per hour. So the nurse should reset the pump to 164 ml per hour. So the infusion finish on time mean in 11 hours the infusion should be finished. The quick formula is the rate finish on time. The quick formula, rate finished on time, and the equal is remaining volume and remaining time. So we will divide remaining volume into remaining time. So the rate to finish on time we have to be is our answer. So the 1800 ml divided by 11, 164 ml per hour is the answer. So given values we have to check always first what they give in the question, and then we will do step by step. Step 1, as I discussed, how much the infusion has already, how much volume has already infused. The step 2, calculate the remaining timings, and step 3, we have to use the formula to check the new rate ml per hour that they ask in the question. I hope you understand the calculation. If you understand, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to push the icon bell button so you can receive my coming videos notification. Thank you very much. Take care yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.